welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that is not the love that'll make you happy. What will make you happy is to share all the love you have inside of you. That is the love that will make the difference. We need a lot more love and a lot less hate in this world. Let's get it together, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 132, NASDAQ down 46, S&P's down 16, gold contract up $11.40, traded at $1,287 an ounce. Silver up 10 cents at $17.43 an ounce. Both gold and silver, folks, are going for their highs. The gold contract at $12.87, $13.08 is game. It's in the high range. Silver rejected lower price this morning. We're at $17.43. That wants to go for the $18 price area. Platinum's trading at $9.90 an ounce. You got copper up 2.5 pennies at $2.05 a pound. Light sweet crude just can't handle 50 bucks. Down 54 cents. Not that that's a lot. $48, 53 cents a barrel. Oil market looks like it wants to go to the lowest swing point, about $1 lower. We'll see what volume comes out of it, and we'll see if that is the top of the consolidation, meaning the 51.75, 52 area. The notes and bonds. Notes and bonds, folks, are going to the moon. Free money is coming at us. That's an exaggeration. It's still, the 10-year is still at a 1.6, but bottom line, every day it's getting cheaper. You had the 10-year today go up 8 ticks, 131.25. The 30-year up 15 ticks, 168.26. Both had volume behind the move. Once again, we are going to continue to see the notes and the bonds go higher price, lower yield. That, and in this particular case, you talk about the note and bond market, looking the Fed right in the face. They are not only look at them in the face, folks, they're basically flipping them off in the face, saying, guess what? You're meeting this week, but guess what? You're not going up on rates. In fact, we just brought the federal fund futures rate down across the next 6 months to under 50. So the bet of this going up on Wednesday is 0. July 27th is your next meeting. It's a 13.7% probability of a hike. In September, it's 27%. In November, it's 28%. In December, it's 46%. And even in February of 2017, it is only 49%. So bottom line, we have a negative rate interest rate structure across the world, folks. Our rates are still high. King dollar, what do we have with King dollar? King dollar, folks, had a nice counter trend bounce last week, had light volume. Bottom line, King dollar can't handle higher price. We got to $94.75. That wants to make its way back down into the 91.88 area. That's the high volume swing low from May 3rd. We go out and we take a look at the gold contract. What do we have with gold? The metals, folks, want higher price. They closed at their highs. They closed with huge volume. We're at 1287.10. You did 195,000 contracts. The low of the high that was established out here on the 2nd of May, folks, is 1292. The high is 1308. We'll see whether we build a little bit more cause here and go up into it. It looks like to me that the next leg up in the gold market, folks, if we go take a look at the continuous contract, you get 1428 coming at you. And if we take a look at this, what you're going to see is that this 1428 is just laying out here. I'll bring it back a little bit further, actually. You know, when we had broken topside, and when I talk about breaking topside, I'm talking about February of this year, you'll see that's where it broke the whole downtrend. It broke the downtrend, and the top of that downtrend is $1,428 on this contract. That is the high that was established in August of 2013. That's where we're going. And it's real possible that we have, actually, let's see, this is 1086, 1046. Yeah, it's an ABC structure. Even the ABC structure on the way up brings you the same area. So you're talking about big numbers. If we go take a look at the Silver contract, what you have with the silver rejected lower price out here today. Silver contract traded down to $17.10. Said, see ya, don't want to be ya. Closed out at $17.43 and had some nice juice behind the move. Silver contract did 60,000 contracts out here today. The high that it's going after right now is $18.06, and at that high, it only had 55,000. So you can see you're running up into those areas with real juice behind the move. If we go over to the 30-year, we take a look at the 30-year. What you're going to see inside this 30-year is pretty, well, they're both, the 10 and 30 are pretty phenomenal. But you're way away from the consolidation. You know, we took out the swing high of 165.27. We took that out about 10 days ago. You're at 168.26. This baby, you know, has a lot longer to go. The 30-year rate right now is running at 2.45, I believe. 2.43 we're at. The 10-year, what do you have with the 10-year? 10-year, you know, and this is, of course, the mortgage market. 10-year, you're at 131.25. That blew away the 131.07. What that sets up is 133, 134. That's going to more than likely put the 10-year into a 1.5, which is going to put the 30-year mortgage, folks, maybe even into a 3.25, a 3.3, okay? Big numbers, no two ways about it. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. If we go over and we take a look at the euro, dollar wants lower price, euro wants higher price. We're at 112 right now. The euro rejected the 112.51 this morning. We're at 112.95. Euro is making its way up to the 116 area. That 116 area is the high that was established on the 3rd of May. So when you look at these correlations, you can see the euro wants to get up into its high. The dollar wants to get into its low. The metals contract wants to get up into its high. And if the metals themselves, it's going to depend, do they get enough volume up at that highs to not only take them out, but to blast them away? You know, we're going to know soon enough. If we go into the S&Ps, what you do have with the SPY, the Qs, the volume was heavy on Friday, and guess what? It accelerated coming into the close. We did 113 million on Friday. You did 104 million today inside the SPYs. If we take a look at the Qs, what you have with the Qs did 25 million today. You did 32 million on Friday. That's after trying to make highs with 12 and 17 million. We're going lower, folks. You stay right there. We're coming right back.